everyone, my name is Alfian. I am a doctor and my friend.
Hi, I am Saputra as patient. So, let's see the video.
Hi, good morning. Come in and have a seat.
Excuse me. Good morning.
So, what does seem to be the problem today?
I feel sore little bit. I feel it last week.
Alright, let me check your temperature.
Okay.
Your temperature is slightly high, but nothing serious. It looks like you just a common cold.
Oh, I see. That's really.
Have you been resting well and drinking enough water?
Not really. I have a lot of assignment in this work.
Oh, that makes sense. You need more rest. I'll give you some medicine to reduce the fever and help you throat feel better.
Thank you, doctor.
No problem. Make sure to rest, drink warm water, and avoid cold drinks for a few days.
Alright, I will.
Clear. Get your side.
Thank you.